Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're all well, and greetings from a very hot and sunny 22-degree Ibiza. For today's vlog, I thought what I would do is something a little bit different, because as with most places in the world at the moment, certain restrictions are in place, so I am limited to the places that I can go and the places that I can show you. So yeah, the idea today was to make a drone medley of all the footage that I made in 2019, put it all together and show you it in this vlog. And even without a global pandemic happening, Ibiza is a very quiet island at this time of the year. There's no direct flights coming in, international flights at the moment, and even in a normal year, we're very limited to the flights that are coming in. From the UK, there's only 2 or 3 flights a week with British Airways from London City Airport, and then last year there was another flight with Transavia coming in from Amsterdam. So if you do want to get to the island in the winter months, you usually have to come in via Barcelona, Madrid, Mallorca, or one of the other Spanish cities. Yeah, so the season here really runs from April until the end of October. So yeah, anyway, when the first lockdown happened, obviously people had a lot more time on their hands, including me. So I started to watch some YouTube videos, watch some travel vloggers and people like that. And that got me thinking, oh, maybe I could give it a go, try create a few vlogs for anyone that's interested in Ibiza. I'd never made a vlog before, I'd done very little video editing, but I just thought, yeah, I've got lots of time on my hands, so why not give it a try? And then with that came the idea of buying a drone. So here is the drone itself. As you can see, it's very small, and just to put it into perspective for you, this is my iPhone 11, and as you can see, I would say it is definitely smaller. You can actually fit it in your pocket if you want to. It's really easy to operate and fly. You just open the arms or legs or wings or whatever you want to call them. You then pop the battery into the back, and the memory card also goes in the back there, and then you have a controller which is about the same size as a PlayStation controller, and through an app you just connect it to your phone and then you fly it that way. The cost of this was 400 euros, but I upgraded to the next package where you got an extra 2 batteries, a battery charger and also a carry case, and that was 500 euros in total. But I was really impressed with it. It's got a 2.7K camera, half an hour per battery, and it is supposed to be able to fly up to 4 kilometers. Although I've never tried that distance, I've probably got about as far as 2 kilometers, and that was at Vedra, but then it was very, very windy, so I got a little bit scared, decided to turn around and fly it back. So yeah, overall, really impressed with the drone, and it's ideal for what I need it for. Okay then, on that note, let's get on with the vlog and show you some of the amazing sights of Ibiza. But just before I do, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's watched these videos so far. If you could do me a favour and just hit the like button, write a comment, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost at 700 subscribers, which is amazing for me, so please, if you haven't subscribed and you do want to keep informed with things going on in Ibiza, hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so grab a brew, grab a wine, grab a beer, depending on whatever time of day it is where you are, relax and enjoy my drone shots of Ibiza.